with alligator window tint. Today, we've got something really special for you. The one right behind me has a really interesting story, so I'm super pumped to be able to put some window film on it. So, what we've got right here is a brand new Lamborghini Aventador Ultimae. They've only made 350 of them, so right there, it's already a really rare car. However, this particular client wanted the last naturally aspirated V12 in the Aventador line that they were gonna do. Originally, the car was built, but it was on the Felicity Ace, which is the boat that sank earlier this year. Lamborghini decided to reopen the production line and recreate the last 15 Aventadors to ever be produced that happened to be on that boat. This is one of those 15. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go out in the trailer, we're gonna cut up the film, bring it inside, and install it. Check it out, let's get going. All right, now we're in the trailer. I've got the Aventador Ultimae pulled up in XPEL's DAP program. I'm gonna select the patterns that we're gonna print. So let's get to cutting. All right, let's shut the door, get this going. So we're gonna start the install process, but something I wanted to touch on real quick, this car has frameless doors. So the windows will roll up and down when you open and close the doors to give it a tighter seal. I only mention that to say that when that's the case, I always do the driver's door first, and it gives it the most time to dry while I'm working on the rest of the car, so that when I'm done, if it's a car where the client's gonna drive it right away, it's gonna have the most time to dry, and so it's not gonna peel up. So we're gonna start with this door, I'm gonna do the other door later, we'll do the quarter windows last to give the roll-ups the most time to dry. Alrighty, so we've got the Lamborghini Aventador wrapped up with some XPEL Prime XR Plus 30% on the sides and rear. So you're gonna have a 99% UVA, UVB, a little over 70% total solar energy rejection, and we're into the 90s on the IR heat rejection. So that's gonna wrap this car up for the brand new, yet one of the last to ever be produced Lamborghini Aventador Ultimaes. Let's pull it outside and check it out in the sunlight.